ka AICS haki laitli gi jikahikai bantip yakakor komputer hari Bhoi district ha Nongpoh ha umsning bat ha Bhoi rombong bantip khambnya wanmi haki institute jongi lane Phun shangi tangkata rengi diru yakakor komputer hakador ke babit bat kimar ki batip top
Menta kesengi ke Santrik Risau Arjar Pusau, la penhap perdana ia ke First Senior Women's Interstate Friendship T20 Tournament ke belalong Hamadan Pamsning, Nongkra Ri Bhoi District. Nakadau juga jing pentut ke Bor Mariang, la pensenge no ia ke jing Iaki cricket final ke belalong hapedeng ke Sikkim bat ke Nagaland. Bat ia ke rai ke bakat du, layar rai lang bat da ke jing hun kita Iaki na baro artli kin hun Iaki. Banshu yakun dak nusem dak basu Kynting Pisa sejrong lani yakun dak basu yatos bakilarai baro atli kenhun bakin bat martin riu bana ya ke trofi hagni ke jingatos ke Sikkim ka long ke nongjob bat kan ra ningkong ya ke trofi shalayeng bat bu riu banai haka juga por kum ke jing itu Iaki Nongialehkai ki batbet ki belawan bani shimenta hagni ke lumpung la ai dak kusnam shimet ki bekentup ya ke best bowler ya ke bala yo ra dak ke Monica Devi na Manipur ka best batter la ra da ka Samroy Pradhan na Sikkim ka player of the tournament la ra da ka Debash Mita Dotta na Meghalaya but ka best wicket keeper la ra da ka Kalpana Devi na Manipur hakani ngasngi la idon lang do Maman Majumdar ubade dukat ka BCCI Apex Council member but UN Bhata Charji ubade president jong Meghalaya Cricket Association ki president ki secretary jong ki association jong ka cricket na kithan jong ka North East lembat kiwe Haba jing kren nak liang Maman Majumdar ula penpau ko jing song komen ke bakrau bagi thai Iaki nakathan setai lami ingi ke ri India kim de shu ki basa dien dak bau loong ba nadu blachna ya kani ka association kata nadu snam arja khat riu la shim khia ban kentiu ya ka sap jong ki khana ki badan sap ha ka jing Iaki cricket nakathan North East ban kentiu ya ka sap jong ki kumbalong ki we ki jala jong kari Shushu dak balik kumni kini yomi khmat shake Indian Women's Premier League bat haka national team jogari India bat ulap pensulur ru dak baong baka kam Iaki cricket kaju ai kam ai jam ya ki samla don sam nakal yang jong Myntri ketenat ki kam Iaki jong kejelau ba Shakliar Warjri namar kajing bomla banwan poi haka ni kesengi ulap penpau ya kajing Kyrkhu kerdo lengba kajing ekran dak telefon bat pensngap shake Nongialehkai.
Sorry I can't be there physically, so I would just like to wish all the players, all the athletes the very best to keep working hard, and we're sure that through your dedication and hard work we will be able to see you shine in your discipline. So once again I wish each and every one of you all the very best in your upcoming endeavors as well. Thank you so much.
Still have to sit for 6-7 times to decide whether to go ahead with cricket and do away with football. So there were differences between.
Okay, sir. We'll call. So this is head. This is check it properly. Tail. Check na. This is head. This is tail. Who will call? Okay, huh? All the best.
Tail.
So the first and senior women NCDC hosted by Nagaland Cricket Association and also in collaboration with the NCDC. is announced to be a joint winner between Nagaland and Sikkim. Thank you so much. And Sikkim will, by agreement during the toss, Sikkim will keep the trophy.
So let's stand in line, one photograph.
BCCI is trying everything for us, for the Northeast also, to bring us to that level where others are. We are new, I know, we are 5 years old, but your performance are matching sometime with others. So what I want to say today is, you try to go to the next level. You have to try. And I tell you one thing, more than the men, the women players have the chance now in this BCCI. See, we made the WPL and women players are given importance, equal pay. Our Honorary Secretary, Mr. Jayasha, he really wants the women players to come up. So there is a backing for you from the states, from the BCCI. So you should give us, I want that from the Northeast, some players should go to the WPL teams or the Indian team. See, one from Assam, one girl from Assam, I think she got some Chetri, I think, Urmila Chetri. So next time you should also come. So this season you try your best. You are going for the BCCI tournaments now. You try your best and see that some of your performance are. The selectors always watch you. And more than the selectors, now these WPL teams, they are sending people whom you don't know to watch you. So every match, every ball you bowl or every ball you bat, every catch you take, fielding, do it with 100% because you don't know where, in what of your action you will catch their eyes and you get selected. So give 100% in everything. For the state, for yourself, and try that you go to the next level. And I am sure all the states are giving full support to our players. So I think it's this 5 years, is 6th year now. It's time the players give us results. Try your best. Best of luck. See, whenever we are sitting with the other states or when we are going for our BCCI programs, when we talk of performance, we always say that since we don't have infrastructure, we cannot provide our players with infrastructure and all. That's why our performance are not up to that level. But see, it's 5-6 years we are saying the same thing. So now I think it's time to talk from the field. The indoor facilities which is under construction, see the BCCI is spending 125 crores for these 6 indoors. And after completion, Doimuk and Dimapur we are going to complete in November and the rest will complete by March. So you will get these facilities to practice, make use of them. And one more thing, see the women players, Indian women players, mostly are looked after by the Indian Railways. So you have a chance also with your performance to get a job in Railways also. And Railways is spreading now up to Mizoram it has reached. So what I am trying to say is, you do something that you get our name, Northeast name, any of the states, any player from any of the states. That from Northeast one player has come. So try your best and impress upon the selectors. Because in my discussion with the women selectors, I have told them last time that see my players play also, though not only the bigger teams. See our teams also, you can find some talent. So I hope this year the women selectors will have more rounds in your matches also. So don't miss the chance. See, recently you might know that we had inaugurated the National Cricket Academy, which is renamed as the Center of Excellence. Now when we were selected for this Northeast camps, till now I think you are playing in camp is happening in Kolkata or Guwahati somewhere. But from next season, all these camps will happen in our center of excellence. We have 3 grounds there. We have the biggest gym, 16,000 square feet area gym. The best of the equipments are there. We have 3 grounds in that 33 pitches. One is with red soil, then with black soil and Monday soil. So different pitches, 45 practice pitches. So all these facilities you will get. So whoever gets the selected for the Northeast camp will get these facilities. So try your best. And
Meghalaya Cricket Association and the president of Bhoi District Cricket Association, Ba Renol Kharkamni. We had 3 days of excellent cricket. It was dry, the wicket was playing good, all the teams enjoyed the outfield, everything. But when it comes to nature, there are things which we cannot go against nature. There are certain eventualities in life which is beyond human control, and this was one. The district association, all the members, because of paucity of time, I do not want to take their names all, but they are all here. Ba Ferdinand is here, Ba Michael is there, Shankar is there, Trilang is there, Ba Lebi is there. So many of them who has worked day and night to make this happen. A round of applause for them too. We had sorry, I am choking with emotion. These guys, they made the impossible into a possibility. And this is what we want from all our teams. We are part of the family, all 6 states. We compete, we play against each other. It is unfortunate that in the men's section also in Nagaland we could not complete. Here also it could not be completed. Our idea during the last NECDC meeting was to give all of you an opportunity to have practice within our NECDC family before you go for the BCCI tournaments. Some practice definitely has happened because playing matches and being in the nets, it's a lot of a difference. I hope that you have imbibed a lot of experience through this, and even sitting, waiting for the game to start, match truncated, this also itself is an experience. The organizing committee, led by our very dynamic and articulate Honorary Secretary Ba Gideon Kharkongor, has done a wonderful job, including the umpires along. Thank you, Ba Gideon, for this task which you had undertaken.
In this very ground at Nongpoh under Bhoi district, as we proceed to the knockout stage, the weather was the ultimate winner. So we had no other choice but to declare the finalists of today's match between Nagaland and Sikkim as joint winners. As a mark of our gratitude to all our guests coming all over from the northeastern states, of the 6 northeastern states, in spite of knowing that there's a very little chance of a game happening, but yet we are all here to give a great encouragement to you, all the senior women's players who are going to prepare yourself for the BCCI domestic season of 2024. So at this time, we would like to facilitate our guests, and firstly I would like to call our president and also the founder co-convener of the NECDC,
Pidan kam projector ban peni film ne pidan kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi Phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei kendai hendru yue ar nyau lai